Welcome to Trends and Money. Another day, another video. In this video, we're going to analyze how Bitcoin can react next Monday when the traditional international markets open again. As we saw in yesterday's video, seems that Bitcoin is related with international markets, especially with technological international markets like Nasdaq 100 or Standard & Poor's. Apart of that, we're going to analyze Ethereum, Monero, Silver and Bitcoin, and also Nasdaq 100 to see if we still have some relation. With further ado, see you after the intro.
Okay, let's try something different.
Welcome to Trends and Money. As you can see, I received today the tie and also the shirt. So what do you think about this style? Please leave the comments below. Put a like if you like, comment and share the video, but especially the comments if you like or not the tie and the shirt. Just a second. And now without tie, and also one button or two. I think it's better one, but leave in the comments below which style do you like more. And let's review very fast how is growing the community, English community. The first thing is like we have 33 subscribers. We have 2 more than yesterday, so that's very good news. Thank you very much for the subscribers. And then if we analyze the videos from yesterday, let's do very fast. In the English channel, we have 16 views and 1 comment and 5 likes. Thank you very much. We arrived to the 5 likes. Let's try to do the 10 likes. Please help me with the likes, because when you do likes, subscribes, makes me feel that all the time I explain in the videos is worth it. And seriously, this week I was a little bit thinking about if it's worth it or not to spend so much time doing these videos. Anyway, thank you very much to everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, to like the video and share. Thank you very much. Now let's see the analysis. Okay, so here we have the mega trend of Bitcoin. Okay, we have from several years, and as we can see, the mega trend of Bitcoin is bullish like never before. It's very bullish, because as you can see, maybe no, because you are in the phone. Let me know if you watching the videos in the phone or in the computer. On the computer, I'm gonna try to do a little bit of zoom so people in the phone can see it. So we see that we have a mega trend that is bullish. Why? Because we broke the resistance here, and even if we have a big drop 3rd of September, still we are above the resistance, and the trend is like quite bullish. Okay, especially here we have a very fast going up. Apart of that, we're gonna analyze with another market what can happen this next Monday with the international markets open. So this is for the overview of Bitcoin, because I don't want people think because we had the big drop yesterday, well, some days ago, that Bitcoin is gonna crash. What I want to show is like it's not the first crash and it's not gonna be the last one, but the trend of Bitcoin is to going up. Well, I make a pause in the video because in fact it's not so clear that the price of Bitcoin is going up, because in fact we have a resistance here that is pushing the price of Bitcoin down. But in 2020 we have this upper trend, so that is showing us that Bitcoin can go up, as it did several times, right? So if you look closer here in the phone, you cannot see, but here we had downtrend, a lot of downtrends, but even like that, Bitcoin is going up like crazy, and then down, and then up like crazy, down, up, down, and now let's see if we can broke the 12,000 and then can be insanely high, because from here in 2017 we were 1,200 or $1,000. We were $1,000 in April 2017, and some people could believe that the Bitcoin is going down, because in March was going down, in fact, you see. in March 2017 we have several drops. This is daily, okay, daily candles. But also here we had a big drop in a daily candles, yeah, and here also a downtrend. But Bitcoin managed to go up, and look this crash in November 2017. Several days we went down 20% in 4 days. And then look this, and sorry, I have my head in there. Here I was talking about in this area. In 4 days 20% down. And then we have this big going up to the 20k. And I think, do you really think this is daily? Okay. Yeah, so we had like this insane, okay, yeah, going up. Anyway, now I'm a little bit tired. I'm considering if I should do also the English videos, because just I finished the Spanish ones and requires a lot of energy to do the Spanish and English. So please leave the comments below if you want I keep doing the English videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe to give me more power to keep doing the videos every day. That is a lot of energy. But really I want to support the crypto community. So I'm doing these videos to spread a little bit Bitcoin, especially. Anyway, especially in the Spanish market. So we have this situation. Now we have to decide what we think Bitcoin is gonna do next Monday, because big move can come this next Monday. If we zoom in. By the way, here we have in Bitcoin. If you think I have too many lines and too many colors, leave the comments below and tell me please, and then we'll take out, because I want to communicate with you also, and especially if we can grow the channel. Even I'm considering to make a website where we have a forum, and then we can discuss and we can have chats together, because YouTube is like kind of unidirectional. It's like I give you information, but you give me the very little information back, so I cannot have a good feedback. Anyway, let's see what happens with the channel if we're still growing. For the short term, seems that Bitcoin is breaking up the resistance we had for a very short term, but we have this mega trend, of this year, let's say 2021. I'm in the middle again. 2021. From March 2020 till now, we have this support resistance. So more than 1 year, and we break out. So that's a not good sign. From another point of view, we should have a bounce here, because we dropped drastically. But let's see what happens. So right now I'm more bearish than bullish right now, or maybe we can go lateral here and then go up, or we can bounce in 9,800. The worst scenario, I think, is like going to this region where we have the support. Another scenario is bouncing in this channel, and if we're going up, I think we're gonna stop in the 11 something, so we have opportunities there, and we can stop and think about what we want to do. Also, let me show you the silver. If we go into the mega trend, silver is clearly bullish, not like before I say about the Bitcoin, but here is like it's going up all the time since 1998. And what we have is right now, this is monthly candles, so we can go to daily. What we have now is like we were inside this channel, and then from beginning March 2020 we had this support, and then we went crazy higher after 17th of July. And then we have this small triangle for a short term that we break up also. So short term seems like silver can go to test this level. We don't know yet. We have to wait some days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to check what is gonna do silver, because silver have to decide for this short term triangle if we're going up or down. If we're going up and test the resistance, can be interesting if we have a very big crisis, because also September now, all the schools started in most of the countries, 15th of September, and it depends of coronavirus and the Fed printing money or most of the central banks. So it's gonna be very interesting this month, really interesting, and we can have a huge move, and we don't know if it's gonna be up or down. Anyway, we have to be prepared for both, right? So if it's going beyond the $30 silver, wow, that can be, but I don't think so. I think we'll have a bounce in the resistance first. We try to do another thing. I think will be quite reasonable to check this support again. For gold, what do we have for gold? We have also clearly bullish since 99, from the 80s, 1980 is quite bullish, especially now, and we have this going up like crazy since October 2019. And for the short term, if we go into the daily candles, we can see also short term we are breaking up the support or bouncing, we don't know yet, but in 1, 2, 3 days, so it's coming a big move soon. And in gold, yes, we went beyond the 2000. In fact, the peak was 2075, so historical height for gold. Never ever before in history gold was so expensive compared with US dollar. Never before. So that means seems reasonable also to expect at least test the support also, like we comment with silver, right? Wow, the internet connection now is slow. Back. And also, so we were saying to retest the support for gold. And what about the Nasdaq 100? The Nasdaq 100, look these guys and girls. We had this insane bull market historically, but now we went outside of the ascending triangle. We are in monthly now. Let's go to daily. As you can see, also Nasdaq 100 is historical high compared with US dollar. So is the market's going up or the US dollar going down? So we crashed here in Corona time, March 2020, and now we were historical high 12,440. So yeah, for Nasdaq makes totally sense to go down. So we check here we are in daily, yes. We check here the support 11,146, and here 10,698 probably could be the next one. So I think probably Nasdaq is gonna go down. Makes sense. Maybe a little bit of bounce Monday, but then I think should check at least the 11,156, if not for the next one. But I don't think we're gonna have more than that. Let's see what happens. The next one will be 10,000. Let's see what happens. So for Bitcoin, right now we see for the probabilities of the 3 possible scenarios, we have like going down to check the 10.3, no 10.3, no 9.8 or even lower. We already tested yesterday the 9.8. So, but we are safe, quite safe in this area, because we have the 9.8, 9.3, 9 and 8.6. So this area is very strong because historically we bounced several times. So it's even 2019 we check a lot of times this area. So that's the maximum, but because in our game we already make a stop loss at 10.8 in 3rd of September. That was very good move we did. So we are okay if it's going down. It's good for us because we can buy. The question will be if we should short the market or not. The other thing is like, okay, can we in this channel, so nothing to do, or we're gonna go up and then bounce in the 10.8. In the case we bounce, I think we'll take some days so we can decide what to do in that case. So for now we still okay with the stop loss and waiting to see what happened with Bitcoin. Then for Ethereum is the trend is quite bad, is going down, and we have a stop loss 325, also 3rd of September. Let's see. Yesterday get fired, so we went out of the market, so that one was not so good. Let's see what happened tomorrow. And for Monero, we are in this channel between 83 and 76. We fire the stop loss was triggered, but with profits. So all from Ethereum and from Monero we have profits with the stop loss, because we say that we bought in 269 for Ethereum, and in Monero we bought at 60. So we are quite okay with the stop loss. So now let's see what happened with Monero. Thank you very much. Please, if you like the video, give a like. If you don't like, give a comment and just tell me what do you like, what you don't like, and then we can try to improve. And if you like, give the thumbs up, share with your friends, because this helps a lot if we have new subscribers. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe, because that gives me a lot of power to keep going with the videos. Thank you very much and see you in the next one.